Amylinum nitrosum from Allen's keynotes nitrite of amyl for nervous sensitive plethoric women during or after the menopause, often palliative in incurable cases, very important as regards euthanasia. Rapidly dilates the arteries and accelerates but later weakness and retards the pulse. Intense surging of blood to face and head. Craves fresh air, opens clothing, removes bed covering and opens windows in the coldest weather. Flushings start from face, stomach, various parts of body, followed by sweatings, often hot, profuse, abruptly limited. Parts below are icy cold, followed by great prostration. Face flushes at the slightest emotion. Blushing, chronic or acute. Seasickness, hemicrania, especially when afflicted side is pallid. Collar seems too tight, must loosen it. Angina pectoris, tumulus heart action, intense throbbing of heart and carotids. Constant stretching for hours, impossible to satisfy the desire, would seize the bed and call for help to stretch. Profound and repeated yawning, puerperal convulsions immediately after delivery. Relations similar to belladonna, coca, ferrum, glonoine, lachesis. Aggravation, mental or physical exertion, acts promptly by inhalation, resuscitates persons sinking under anesthetics. Crude drugs, cheaply palliative, must be repeated as patient becomes accustomed to it. Is curative in the stronger, higher potencies. This cure more frequently depends upon the strength of the potency than many who have not, but it to the curative test imagine. Amyl nitrosum, Boric-Materia medica, amyl nitrite. On inhaling this drug, it rapidly dilates all arterioles and capillaries, producing flushings of face, heat, and throbbing in the head. Superficial arterial hyperemia, palpitation of the heart, and similar conditions are readily cured by it, especially the flushings and other discomforts at climacteric. Hiccups and yawning often relieves temporarily epileptic convulsions, seasickness. Head anxiety as if something might happen, must have fresh air, surging of blood to head and face, sensation as if blood would start through skin with heat and redness, flushings followed by sweat at climacteric, ears hyperemic, throbbing, throat. Constriction, collar seems too tight. Chest, dyspnea and asthmatic feelings, great operation and fullness of chest, spasmodic, suffocative cough, precordial anxiety, tumulus action of heart, pain and constriction around heart, fluttering at slightest excitement. Female, after pains, hemorrhage associated with facial flushing, climacteric headache and flushes of it with anxiety and palpitation. Fever, much flushing of it, sometimes followed by cold and clammy skin and profuse sweat, throbbing throughout whole body, abnormal sweat after influenza. Extremities, constant stretching for hours, veins of hands dilated, pulsations felt in tips of fingers. Relationship, compare glonoine, lachesis, antidotes, cactus, ergot.